My dear lovely friends, welcome back to all of you. Take my salute. I hope that all of you are as fit as a fiddle. I am in good shape by the grace of God. Today I am back again with you with another important speaking video which is really fantastic and useful for all of you. Okay, let's get started. Before going to the main discussion, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel so that I can get pleasure in my mind and I can make so many fantastic videos for all of you, because you are my lovely followers, you are my lovely friends, you are my well wishers. That's why I want to give you some important speaking videos which are really fantastic and useful for all of you. Okay, let's get started. Today we'll talk to you about so many sentences which are very important. Some useful sentences will be told today because sentences are very important. Sentences are very useful for all of us because every day we are to use so many sentences with someone. Whenever we are in family, we are to speak with our family members. Whenever we go to the market, we are to use so many sentences with the customers or with some people we know or not. Whenever we go to an institution, we are to talk to our colleagues. Whenever we go to another places, we are to talk to someone we know or not. So we are to use so many sentences daily. From morning to the evening, we are to use so many simple and hard or difficult sentences. We know it. That's why we can't express our feelings without speaking. So today we are going to talk to you about some important sentences we use daily. Suppose after getting up early in the morning, we say I will have to go to the toilet. This is another sentence which we use daily. We can say, mother, give me food, I am hungry. Mother, give me food, I am hungry. This is another sentence which we use. We say that I will take my shower, I will have breakfast because I am so hungry. We use I will have to go to my institution, I will have to go to school, I will have to go to college, I will have to go to the market, I will have to go to meet my friends, etc. etc. We use so many sentences. I say I am reading now because I have something to know. I have to know so many important things. That's why I will have to read books, because books are very important for us. Books give us pleasure. Books give us pleasure. Books give us so many important things. Books give us information that's needed for me. Without reading books, we can't know anything. We can't gather knowledge. We can't get anything in my mind. That's why I'll have to read books. This is another sentence. We play football. We play cricket. I fight with my brothers or sisters. I get up early in the morning. I sleep. I go to bed timely. I go to bed late. These sentences are used daily. So there are so many sentences, except this I am trying my level best to say right now. So watch my video till the end. If you don't watch my video till the end, I think that you will miss so many things. That's why you will have to watch my video. So at this moment you can see that this is the afternoon time. That's why I have come to this place. You can see that there are so many things behind me. I am speaking with you right now because I love to talk to you. That's why I have come to this place to make an important video to give you. That's why I am here right now, and you can see I am speaking with you. we can say I am going to the town. This is another sentence which is used. I am going to the market. I am going to the cricket field. I am going to the football field. I am playing badminton with my friends. I am passing my time with my friends. I am passing my time with my wife. I am passing my time with my husband. I am passing my time with my brother, etc. etc. Many sentences can be made in this way. At this moment you can see that I am making some sentences. These sentences are really useful in our daily life. That's why you can see that I am using these sentences, and you can see that I am speaking with you right now. You can see that there is nobody beside me. That's why I have come to this place to make a video, because I want to give you this video, and this video can help you a lot. That's why this is my aim. That's why I have come to this place to make this video. You can see that there is no person right now, and I am speaking along with you. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.